Alright, so come through the land of the stumps, and this is why we're here. This marshland is beautiful, and unless you count the two of us, there's not an angry Chicago driver in sight. I am so done with my day job. To all of our friends back in Chicago,
these are skyscrapers.
yeah, this is where we'll be holding our lunch meetings. I'll be stocking inventory over there.
I wish I could explain how it smells. There are so many pines that it's sweet and a little bit spicy. And then the sun is heating up all of the dead pine needles,
Which kind of cover the ground like a blanket, so it's really quiet out here. We're being followed. Quickly becoming the Miss Shevaughn and Yuma Wray Nature Hour.
That box on that tree across the pond, that's for wood ducks.
Up there?
Mm-hmm.
Wood ducks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this turtle alone now. Bald eagle nest. Osprey.